We got the call to install the new boilers at Branston Hall last winter. The others had gone down, so we got to get something up and running very quick. We came to have a look. We got to take out the old Ideal Concords and we decided to fit the Ideal Evomax 100s on a low height frame because we were governed by the height of the flue to where it could go. We've got to get the heating back up and running within 2 days and get all the flues and that done, so we needed something that could be fitted and installed quick. The install process went very well. All the boilers was delivered on time. We got them in position, the flue people came, measured the flue up, so everything went really well, and it was all completed as and when it should have been. Branston Hall rung us, said that their gas bill had gone down and they were getting more heat out for less money, so they was very happy. Ideal are very good on their technical support lines. If you ring their technical support lines up, they will sort the problem out there and then. They all sent us on the courses for the Ideal servicing and commissioning of the boilers, so if we need to, we can commission them themselves, although because they're supplying free commissioning at the minute, we don't really need to. We used Ideal Commercial. We've worked for them for probably 25-30 years now. We've fitted everything from their Concords all the way up to their new Evomaxes. You know, it's a good British made product. We get no problems with them, and if we ring them, it's sorted straight away.